Hello, Dr. Hadaya. My name is Joe Sales Jr., and I'm from NV Digital Solutions, a digital marketing agency. I know this video is a little bit different, but I happen to be doing some research on chiropractors in the Antelope Valley, and I came across your website. Do you want to know what is separating you from the top competitors? Well, I have some suggestions here for you, so I figured I would make a quick video to share a few tips on things that can help you beat out your competition and easily get more patients. So let's get into this. The things that I want to discuss are your website and website content, citations, and backlinks. So let's have a look at your website. One of the things that I want to show you about your website is how fast it pulls up. Now, you have a beautiful website. You are doing the right things. You have your phone number above the navigation bar. You have a call to action button on your image. You have a video on your site in the home page in the hero shot, and that's all, makes your site really look beautiful compared to your competitors, and it's strong for getting new leads. As I look down the page, you have a strong site. It's showing a lot of different things, a lot of imagery, but I will tell you some things about that imagery here that I learned about your site. Number one, if you'll notice when I pulled up your site, just by clicking on it, or just by hitting refresh, it pulls up a little slowly. And so, in fact, all of this information pulls up a little slowly down here at the bottom of the page. And I verified that that's happening by pulling up another report on your site, and it's showing me that your performance score is a 49. And so what that's telling me is that things like the largest things on your homepage are slowing down your website. And I can probably tell you that the biggest thing that's slowing down your website is probably the video on the homepage. That's just tends to be something that happens to websites when they have a video in the background on their homepage. So just be aware of that. It's something you could change if you just put a regular background shot into it. Another thing that I wanted to discuss is the amount of content on your homepage. I took the liberty to grab the content on your homepage and just word count it so I could see where you are in comparison to your competitors. And where you're scoring a 381 words on the page, you'll see that some of your competitors are in the same range, but some of them have maybe double that. Google actually recommends that you have about 1,500 words on your website homepage and about 500 words on all of the other subsequent pages. And the reason it does that is because Google is looking for things like your services that you offer, the areas you're targeting, and anything else that Google can help use to position your website. And so you want to have plenty of unique, informative, authoritative content because this helps your EAT status or your experience, your expertise, your authoritativeness, and your trustworthiness. Because this is what visitors to your site are looking for. Google will serve the site with the best EAT scores or EAT status for those looking for your services. Now, moving on to the next item, citations. I took the liberty to take a couple of different ways to look at chiropractors in the Palmdale area, like, for instance, by looking at Palmdale chiropractors, and best chiropractor in Palmdale. And as I look these up, there's two ways that I think about this. First, I think about the 3-pack score, and that's this section up here that's influenced by your Google business profile. And as you see, you're not coming up in the top 3 here. You're actually coming up around number 8 or 10 or something like that down here as I look beyond that. And so you're in the range where you could get your business up into the search 3-pack if you do the right things. And the right things are basically doing plenty of citations and having a super strong review rating for your site with plenty of reviews for your site. So Google is looking for information about your site that is verifying that your site exists, that your site's a good, strong, authoritative site. And it uses that to serve you up in the Google 3-pack. So that's what it takes here. You need more citations, and Google recommends that you have somewhere between 200 and 300 citations. We find that businesses with over 300 citations are usually the leaders in their niches on the Google 3-pack. The other thing that I wanted to take a moment and look at is where your site comes up on the regular search engine page, which is this section below the 3-pack. As we go down the page, we look for your website, and we see that it would be on the home page, but we want to get you pushed up higher into this area right here, which will be difficult because this is a local chiropractor whose business name is very similar to the search I have there, but also you'd be competing against Yelp, one of the biggest citation sources on the internet here, and so that would make it difficult for you to push past them. And the way you do that in the search part is by increasing the number of backlinks you have to your site. So in the Palmdale area, you're on the better half of the pack in your backlink profile, in your link juice, but there's still room for you to grow and get ahead of the best of them in your region. Your domain score your domain strength or domain score is showing at 0.97. And when I look at your website from this domain analysis point of view, you're showing 23 keywords that are ranking in search engines. That's outstanding. Most of the sites that you're competing against have 6 and 7 keywords or less. Another thing that's outstanding is you have 212 backlinks to your site and 76 domains pointing back to your site. When we compare that to the top one in your area, you'll see that they have a domain rating of 3.08. They've been in business for 15 years with this website. 35 keywords are ranked, and they have 435 backlinks and 111 linking domains. You see that another one of your competitors has a domain strength of 1.16, 451 backlinks from only 9 linking domains. And yet, as you look at still other sites, you'll see that they have as few as 27 backlinks and 20 linking domains. So my recommendation would be for you to continue working on ways to get backlinks to your site. And one of the best ways to get backlinks to your site is working on blogging and having other content that you could put out there for people to see. So these are the tips that I had for you for your website, ways that you can work on beating out your competition. So my recommendations here were to work on your page speed on your home page, get it up to 1,500 words on that page, get between 200 and 300 citations or more if you can, and to work on improving your linking juice to your website. If you'd like to know more about how you can outperform the competition, then please reach out to me so we can chat. I have lots of more tips to help you to grow your business online. And if not, I hope you can put these free tips to work for you. All I ask is that you give me some feedback on this video if you don't mind. Thank you for watching and have a great day.